I'm done out. We need somebody. I don't know. Is there any niggas around in the world that can really crack a bitch back? Cause a bitch just need to get her back cracked. If I find that nigga, I swear to God, I'm gonna marry that nigga. Make it mine for life.
Oh shit.
Cause a bitch need to get her back cracked, right? You see, look at that. It just need to be cracked. This right there, right there. See right there? I can never find this man. I look for him, babe. Do you know where I can find a nigga to crack my back? I'll be looking for you day and night. All my life. Come crack my back, man.
I cannot tell. We go wild.
Hard. That's a motherfucker. Let these niggas know.
That's that motherfucking thing right now.
Ooh, shit.
Roll that up, man. Roll that up, child.
I just need fun to some shit.
Roll that up, child. Roll that up, child.
Niggas upstairs is playing motherfucking. What's that shit for motherfucking white chicks? You hear? They been playing this shit for hours straight. Niggas want to get niggas want to get killed tonight. Oh no, they bugging the fuck out. I think they on that crack. You, I'm done. The shit that goes on in here, no going nowhere else. Oh no, this nigga here. Can I help you? Why are you smoking crack? That's what I want to know. Why are you smoking crack? Crack. It's not fun to be a crackhead, okay?
Oh, shit.
I understand why you're angry all the time, why you want to get drunk, and why you want to tell your son, hey, man, I don't want you. I don't understand this in the middle of the street. Like, you really hurt his feelings, yo. You did. You hurt some of his feelings tonight. Yeah, you hung up now, nigga. You don't want to hear that shit. Don't want to hear the truth. Niggas never want to hear the truth. And that's their fucking problem. I'll tell you the truth, motherfucker. Till I find that nigga to crack my back, I'm gonna tell everybody the fucking truth. Fuck that. I ain't gonna get my back cracked anyway, so I'm not gonna tell you the truth. Yo! Oh, God! I wanna marry, Lana, so I can pop up. But I got my
I want my water.
But I got myself.
Where the fuck is my sneakers at?
What sneakers? Oh, your polo boots or your sneakers?
My sneakers, my polo boots.
Polo boots right here, man.
Oh.
Good, crazy. Yeah. Where pa? Yeah, I was looking at Pitbull earlier today. He's kind of cute.
Duh, I've been telling you this.
No,
you be like, now this
no, it's
Spanish
just
man.
one video. He take off his fucking pants and he jumps in the fucking I said, he got a big thing. That's on my mind. This nigga jumped in the water and these bitches just attacking him like fucking fish or whale. Like all of these bitches attacking. As you can see, the shape of it is nice.
I like Pitbull. I'm a sexy guy. Move. Move. I just don't like cokeheads.
Who the fuck is a cokehead?
A nigga's a cokehead.
I mean.
It says it's plain as day. He's a fucking cokehead. It's cool.
I mean.
But I don't like cokeheads because cokeheads dicks don't stay hard.
That's true. Now that's true.
Niggas want to fuck for 5 hours and then be fucking be medium sore. I got it. Nigga, like, I'm medium sore. I'm not sore, but medium sore. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking like, medium nigga. Supersize me with that shit,
you
bitch.
Serious? I was done about 3 4 hours ago Fuck that. I ain't got no time for this bullshit.
I gotta go.
I just want to get my back cracked.
Oh shit.
I'm never gonna stop. I'm just saying this for that ass.
Niggas ain't cracking backs.
This
This the 21st century.
Niggas
Ain't cracking backs, man. Sorry, X. Sorry to ruin it for you. Niggas ain't cracking backs, ma. Niggas is not
Yes, I
cracking
gotta
backs.
go back to.
Oh shit.
Oh god, that was nice.
Oh shit. I think a nigga about to go back to Tyrone.
I cannot do.
But you ain't heard that from me.
No, that ain't true.
You ain't hear that from me.
That ain't true at all.